I joined the Marienbad Health Spa in 1976, and even way back then, complications from pneumonia were treated. In the last year, medical disciplines have recorded the emergence of post-COVID syndrome. Every second patient reports persistent health problems. In response, Ensana has created an innovative spa treatment program focusing on treating the syndromes affecting the respiratory tract. The program is based on the use of natural healing resources, focused mainly on rehabilitation of airways, restoration of proper respiratory mechanisms, restoration of airway patency, and improvement of general health. It has a positive influence on associated diseases and helps our guests return to typical daily activities with improved quality of life. The results of our research show that the Ensana program has a beneficial impact on the recovery from COVID-19 syndrome. Our guests who present with complications from pneumonia are treated in 6 steps. The first step is climotherapy. Marienbad is situated 630 metres above sea level. The air is very clean without any polluting industries or allergens. The second step is to increase the amount of magnesium. As a natural element, it is very useful to combat fatigue, depression, and is necessary for the proper functioning of brain, heart, muscles and bones. Rudolph's Spring is located in Marienbad and contains a lot of magnesium. The third step is inhalation, which is recommended twice a day. We use our forest spring as it contains a lot of sodium and bicarbonate and has a mucolytic effect, releasing mucus from the respiratory tract. The fourth step is physical education. Our physiotherapists have developed a program to improve the fitness and endurance of guests. At the beginning and end of each spa stay, they perform spirometry, oximetry, and endurance tests. The fifth step are carbon dioxide procedures. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the skin and dilates the capillaries. COVID pneumonia means that part of the cells were not functioning properly, and the treatment helps to regenerate those affected cells. The sixth step is our treatment program is oxygen therapy, which helps to improve lung function. This combination of natural healing resources, magnesium from Rudolph's Spring, inhalation with forest spring, water carbon dioxide baths, dry carbonic baths are completely unique and cannot be found anywhere else.
Jsou naprosto unikátní a nemají konkurenci.